On October 1st, 2024, NCL dropped their popular program Free at Sea and introduced their new program More at Sea. In this video, I'm going to explain the changes, talk about their new perks, and how much will this all cost you. Hi, I'm Angela from Grab Your Bags Travel. If you're planning on cruising on NCL in 2025 or beyond, then you need to know about their new program More at Sea. It is designed to elevate your cruising experience. This new program is available for bookings made on or after October 1st, 2024, and for sailings January 1st, 2025 and beyond. Now More at Sea focuses on better inclusions and higher quality amenities. So let's first start with their biggest upgrade, the More at Sea Beverage Package. With the new More at Sea Beverage Package, you're getting more top-shelf premium brands like Grey Goose Vodka, Woodford Reserve Bourbons, and the gratuities are included. They've also eliminated the $15 limit per drink, as well as how many drinks you can order per day. They do still have the limitation that you can order or only order 2 drinks per transaction. Now, not everything is included in the new beverage package, including Starbucks and water bottles. I don't know why NCL does not want to include water bottles in the beverage package, but they continue to not do so. If you want to purchase one of those items, you would have to purchase their Starbucks specialty coffee package or their water bottle package. This is because NCL has also discontinued the Premium Plus beverage package as well as the Free at Sea Plus package. On top of that, there are other drink items that are not included in the Ultimate Open Bar package, and I'm showing this on the screen right now. Another change in this new package is that all passengers in the same cabin over 21 qualify for the drink package. In the past, it was only for passengers 1 and 2. Any children under 21 will be charged the soda package. Later on, I will talk about what will happen if you already purchased the premium drink package as well as the Free at Sea Plus package. Also, it should be noted that the beverage package cannot be used in a private destination, Harvest Cape. Next up, specialty dining at NCL. With the enhanced specialty dining giving you more opportunities to savor world-class restaurants on board. Depending on your stateroom category and the length of your itinerary, guests can enjoy multiple specialty dining nights. You can see that a 7-day sailing in a balcony gives you an extra dining meal. And now, each meal includes up to 3 appetizers, a soup or salad, 1 entree, and up to 3 desserts. You want extra entrees? That'll be available a la carte. And if you want to purchase additional nights, you just have to make reservations at the restaurant you want and you will be paying a cover charge. There will be no longer dining packages for you to choose additional nights. Dining still applies though for guests 1 and 2 in the stateroom. And if you have a child under 18, they will be complimentary as they can only order from the children's menu. If they want to order from the adult menu, they will be charged the cover charge. The other significant change with More at Sea is the Wi-Fi, the high-speed Wi-Fi, now powered by Starlink. Staying in touch has now gotten faster, and now everyone in the stateroom gets access. It still has the packages based on minutes depending on the length of your sailing, and it cannot be used in Great Stirrup Cay or Harvest Cape. You still will be able to purchase a package to upgrade your service. Now, the existing benefits of the shore excursion credit, the free airfare for the second guest, 3rd and 4th passengers free for applicable sailings have remained the same. But what is all of this costing you now? Well, in order to purchase the beverage package based on the length of your itinerary, you will have a per day charge. For dining, your charge will be based on your cabin category and the length of your itinerary. So here is what a 7-day itinerary in a balcony for 2 people will now look like. This is actually for July 13th, 2025 on NCL's Getaway. With the Free at Sea program, this reservation would have cost you $4,370.12. That included the beverage service charges of $305.20 and the dining service charge of $39.60. Now under More at Sea, The same cabin and itinerary is $4,565.32. This is because the cruise fare remained the same at the time of this recording, but the purchase of the beverage package and the dining packages increased the reservation to almost $200 more. Now you are getting more inclusions with that $200. More top shelf beverages, more beverages per day, no more limit in the beverage price. You are getting more dining nights and you're getting an increased Wi-Fi. Of course, different sailings will have different price differences. I'm just highlighting one example for you to give you an idea that you will be paying a bit more. So what if you already made a reservation under the Free at Sea program or purchased a premium drink package and Free at Sea Plus package? Let me help you understand everything. So if you're sailing in 2024, nothing has changed. Everything remains the same. If you're sailing in 2025 and beyond, this is where you're going to see some changes. You will be upgraded to the More at Sea Ultimate Beverage Package, complimentary. They are not charging you extra for it. So you'll receive all the perks that it's in the More at Sea Ultimate Drink Package. For the dining and the Wi-Fi, you will stay in the Free at Sea program perks, which I've outlined over here. If you want to purchase additional dining, as I've said earlier, you would just have to make a reservation and pay the cover charge. If you've already purchased the premium drink package and the Free at Sea Plus package, they are being canceled and they will be refunded to your account. So if you're looking for the Starbucks specialty coffee drinks and as well as the water bottles, you will have to purchase those packages. Now, if you want the More at Sea program, you can reprice your reservation if you have not paid your final payment yet, which means you are more than 120 days before your sailing. Now, you will get charged prevailing rate, so you do need to weigh the difference in your cost as well as your pros and cons to the programs. I hope I helped you understand the new program and what it will cost you. And what do you think of the new program now? Please tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinions. If you have any questions as well that I did not cover, please list that as well and I'll be happy to answer them as best as I can. Thank you for watching as always, and I hope you can subscribe for more cruise news and information. Happy cruising!